Are you ready?
Yeah.
Ready to go?
Oh, I'm so ready.
Let's do it.
Let's go.
Ready. Click that accept button like it's no tomorrow.
I hit it as soon as I saw it. I was just BAM!
Steve. Poor Steve. I wonder what
what's
happened.
that in that? What's in that corner? Almost got it.
Oh no, a corner. Ah.
We're in an app.
Oh.
I don't even care. You can do whatever you want.
Hey, stop.
Yeah, you stop.
No, you stop. There's a knife in your leg. Oh my god, some. Holy shit, that looks very painful. Do you want me to get it out?
Yeah.
I'll get it out.
Use your teeth. Oh. I got 90 kills on my AK.
Yeah! It's just someone was right in front of me, I couldn't.
Okay, I thought you were like trying to be like a ghost or something.
Yes, I was trying to be a ghost or something.
It was just amazing. It was amazing.
A or B?
B sounds good.
Okay. It's like so sad when no one answers and your friend that you have in a call is like, yeah, we should go that way. One back. Okay, Savior, if you could not stand in front of me while I'm shooting.
My god, you stole my kill.
You stole my kill.
I was trying to help you. And then,
Hey, look, feedback from the guys. Long.
Let's go, my
I forgot you have that frost side Missy. Front side Missy or is it frost side?
Front side.
Oh. Well, I mean frost side, it would be... It would make sense.
It's blue, it looks like frosting, I guess. I just want to fuck your mom. Wow! I just wanted to do a whole new direction. Here, buddy? Yeah.
Please go B once.
Well,
Alright.
ask and you shall receive.
Did you buy an op?
Picked it up.
Oh. Okay. Full of all surprises today. So that...
I got him!
Nice! Actually, apparently I'm gonna have to go the long fucking route because if this bomb goes off, it might kill me.
Start running already!
What am I stuck on? Did you get them both? Nice! I didn't know the panic was real.
He tried to Zeus me! Yes!
Oh, he won! Did you just prestige?
Did you just prestige?
Did you really just prestige?
Good game, guys.
I like it. I'm happy for it. No, I'm happy for it. I'm happy.
Did you not? What were you saying? What are you doing?
I can't believe this. This game's such bullshit.
Yeah, you did!
I did! Oh, but that's such bullshit. How come it took me forever just to get to this and you can